Well, YouTube, I just realized Walmart seriously screwed me over in 2022. I bought this TV. It's a TCL Roku Smart TV. I'm not going to show all of it because I don't want everybody to see my personal information on there. But if you happen to notice, I hope this is picking up, there's like tape. There's tape on the side of this thing. I don't know if that's even going to show up. All the way up and down. I thought it was part of the packaging that was sent, and I just never took it off. The other day I noticed, and if you can see, I don't know if this is going to show up on there, but there are ants in my TV. There's one that died right there, and I can't get it out of my TV because it's inside the TV. Well, I ordered this in 2022. I have an order number for it. I had to go back and search through my email to find it, but I typed in TCL because that's the brand, and it popped up into my order. I go to Walmart's website to reference it there to see if I can do anything about the fact that this TV's jacked up, right? Even though I'm pretty sure I filled the warranty card out for it and all that good stuff. I look up my order number and it's mysteriously not there. So, the reason why there's tape on the side of this TV is because it's used. It's been refurbished. It was sold as a brand new TV to me though, so that means somebody sent this back because it was damaged. They sent it to TCL or they fixed it in store, taped it back up, put it back in the box, put it back on the shelf, sold it to me as a brand new TV for like $298 back in 2022. And I just realized that it was a damaged used TV because I have ants that managed to get into the TV because the tape was only kind of holding the TV together apparently. Because if this had been fresh off the factory floor, it would have been like hermetically sealed and ants would not be able to get into the TV. But they're in there. And I know they're in there through the tape because if you can see this corner over here, the little dots, those are all ants. They're going into the bottom corner of the TV, which as you can see is taped and is not very sealed very well. So I'm going to try to call Walmart and say, hey, can I get a store credit or my money back since you basically ripped me off by selling me a bum TV? Or what? Because they're not going to be able to reference my order number because, like I said, my order number is no longer on the site. I bought this in 2022, March 19th to be exact. My records go all the way back to 2021, but this order number is not popping up when I look it up on my account. So that's what I have to deal with right now. So anyways, that's my video for this part of the day. I'm planning on uploading some more stuff, but this is going to go up. So thank you for watching this video of how Walmart has yet again screwed me over. Okay, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next whatever kind of video I upload. Okay, bye.